In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air intake splash shield on this GMC Sierra. It's going to be located behind the front bumper. Let's get into it. I'm going to take this cover off, just use a trim tool. Take the push pins out, just get underneath there, pop those out. Grab this cover and pull it off. We're going to take these bolts out from up top, use a 10mm socket. We're going to loosen up this trim piece right here, use a 7mm socket. Take this screw out, then taking these screws out up top, use a T15 socket. Pull the trim out. You can use a trim tool. Just get underneath. We'll just pull it back a little bit. Sometimes these clips break. It's okay. Just so you have some room there. And using a 7mm socket going up right here is a screw. Take that out. Just grab this trim piece. You can get underneath with a trim tool as well. I'm just going to pop this out. And just pull it straight out. Then you're going to do the same on the other side. From underneath the vehicle, you can see where that trim piece was attached. There's some clips. You can just get under there, just use a pick. Just gonna go and pull these down. You can push it out a little bit. Just do that to all the clips. Just pull it off and out of the way. At the base of the grille, you're going to use a 10mm socket. Take these bolts out. And grab the grille and just forcefully pull it outward. It comes right off. Now, disconnect the connector right here. I'm just going to use a pick. Take this little lock tab, push that down, and then you want to push down on the tab. Slide the connector off. There we go. Pull that off. And you can see the wiring harness. There's a retainer right here. Just use a trim tool. Pop that off. Underneath, we're going to take this bolt out. There's a bracket right here. Use a 15mm socket. Take that one out. Following that bar up, you can see two more bolts. I'm going to take those out. Use a 15mm socket. You can pull the bar out. We're going to do this on the other side as well. Now down below there's 2 bolts. We're going to take those out first. Use a 18mm socket. And then there's 2 more bolts. You're going to use the same 18mm socket. Take the top ones out. Make sure you hold the bumper so it doesn't fall. Grab the bumper. And it slides right off. Disconnect the fog light connector. Just push down on the tab. Take that off. Then follow the wire back. You're going to find the retainers. Just use a trim tool. Try not to break them. There's a couple underneath. Take those off. And one in the back. All right, you can push that harness behind. Using a 15mm socket, take these 6 bolts out. Bracket, slide that off. I just flip the bracket over. You can see the bolts on the back side. Use a 10mm socket. Take these out. Take that off. Take the new one. We're going to line this up the same way. Get the bolt started. And the other bolt. And snug those down. Now take the bracket, get this lined up, pull the wiring harness through. Now get the bolts started. Now I'll tighten this down. I'm trying to get these lined up as close as possible. Snug those down. Now the wiring harness underneath here. I'm going to push the retainers up through. Use your trim tool to help you get these through. There you go. And connect the fog light. Now we're going to reinstall the bumper. Get it lined up. Now make sure the holes are lined up. Get the bolts started. And the bottom ones. I'm going to snug these down first. Now we're going to torque these bolts to 74 foot-pounds. Do the same for the other side. All right, take the connector, connect that, push on the lock. And then if your connector popped out of the bracket, you want to slide that back into the bracket. Take the retainer and push that through. Take this bar, get that started, get the bolts in. This bolt's going to go over here. snug these down. Now torque these to 41 foot-pounds. And do the same on the other side. Now take the grill, and line this up, and push it in place. Take the bolts, tighten those down. Now take this trim piece and get this lined up. That's good. And push it in place. And line this up. Tap it in place. Now take this bolt, get that started. Snug that down. You want to push this trim in place. And some of the inner fender liner was popping out. Just push that back in place. Now put this screw in. Snug that down. And these two screws. Do the same on the other side. And put these bolts in up top. And tighten these down. And take this cover, line that up. Looks good. Put the push pins in. Lock them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.